This page shows all the available rooms and the rooms that are booked in the hotel. For viewing cashier report, click on to report. This page shows specific options from which we can select to view the cashier report based on our requirements like from date, to date, particular shift or all shift, whether to show for all users or selected users or for complimentary alone. It also has options to view only occupancy report, pending bills report, and daily cash book report. After selecting required options, click on to view. Now the cashier report has been displayed. As we have selected daily cash book report, this page shows a detailed report for a particular date which includes the advance collection, further advance collection, checkout bills, group checkout bills, guest charge item wise report, miscellaneous item wise report, pending collection, room swap details, and also the final income and expenses details. Click on to escape for exiting the page. The cashier report has been viewed successfully. Thank you.